Hi, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back again with another Ipsy bag. Sorry I've been gone so long. So this is for Ipsy May. I'm gonna show my address. And I'm gonna show you what I got. Let's check it out. I love Ipsy. So my first Ipsy item I'm pulling out of the bag right now. I got like 2 face masks. First one is Fresh Garden Ussie Berry Calming Mask. I need this. Looks like it would be very nice. The second one is, well, what's the brand? I guess they're both Fresh Garden. Fresh Garden Pomegranate Firming Mask. Need that. And here's the bag for the month of May. Yeah, I want to say May because I missed April. It's like orange and it's kind of like a travel-esque feeling about it. It's okay. I don't really love it. My favorite bag is still October of last year. Alright, so the theme is Go There for this month. Looks like they're all traveling and doing their thing. Something like that. Sweet. My first item out of the bag is a little sponge, like a beauty sponge, not beauty blender, but it says it's by Shenzing or it's like something glam. It feels relatively soft. I'm interested in see how that will work. And then I got something from Tarte, and it looks like it says Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Finishing Powder. This could be cool. I love baking my face, so yeah, that'll be great. And next item is something from NYX. It's a lippy, and the color is London. I don't know how you can see that. It's kind of like a brown coffee-esque color. It'd be cool to try. Oh, last item is by Ico London, and it is an eyeliner from them. I love their eyeliner. It's not the first time I've tried it. I've got it in a couple of one other Ipsy bag I've ever received, and I used that thing till it dried up. So this is like my favorite eyeliner. And that's the whole bag. I wanted to thank you for watching if you're still here. I haven't been posting a lot. I've been going through some mental issues, but I'm better now and I'm ready to get back into it, and I miss posting on YouTube, so I thought, hey, what's a better video to start off getting back into videos than Ipsy. Ipsy's quite simple. Some of you guys have Ipsy too, and you just want to see what I got in my bag. I do the same. I'll watch some Ipsy videos. So much fun, especially when you're bored. Anyways, that's the whole video. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!